Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to delete your TradingView account. First, log into your account using either the website or the mobile application. Once logged in, locate your profile avatar, usually in the top right corner, and click on it to access your settings. Before proceeding, it's crucial to cancel any active subscriptions to avoid future charges. This initial step ensures a smooth deletion process. After accessing your profile settings, scroll down until you find the Delete Account option. It's often highlighted in red or clearly labeled. Before clicking, carefully read the information provided about what happens to your data. TradingView typically retains some data, like published ideas or messages, for platform integrity. Once you understand these terms, you can confirm your request to delete the account. Once you confirm deletion, your account enters a 30-day pending deletion period. During this time, if you change your mind, you can simply log back into your account and cancel the deletion process. After 30 days, the deletion becomes permanent. Remember, certain data, such as public ideas, scripts, and messages sent to other users, may be retained by TradingView for system integrity and legitimate business purposes, even after your account is fully deleted. If you do not log in and cancel within the 30-day window, your TradingView account will be permanently deleted. This action is irreversible, meaning you cannot reactivate the same account later. You would need to create a new one. It's a significant step, so be sure of your decision. And hey, if you're looking to upgrade your home tech, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.